In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut through a wooden dowel using a multi-tool or an oscillating multi-tool. Now before we start any cutting, the first thing we need to do is make sure we've selected the right blade. You can use a wooden plastic blade to cut through wood, but I always find that they're a bit inferior and a bimetal blade is far better. A bimetal blade will cut through wood and metal. So I'd always opt for one of those as they make a lot neater cut and they wear out a lot more slowly. So get a bimetal blade. We'll put a link to a good pack in the description. These ones are, I think, Erbauer. I've never had a problem with them. They cut through nails and wood and all sorts, whereas the wood plastic ones limit you a little bit to what you can cut. Next thing we need to discuss is the speed. Whenever I'm cutting through wood, I have my multi-tool set to quite high speed. So we're going to go, maybe not the top setting, we're going to go on speed 5 for cutting through this. So we've got the right blade, we've got the right speed, and the next thing we need to do is mark our cut. This is often the trickiest bit to do on dowel, as it's obviously round. So I've got one of these Wolfcraft squares, and these are quite good because they help you to mark on around the timber dowel. So we put a little mark there, put a little mark there, you can connect them up, and then all we do is rotate, connect our lines, and hopefully these should meet up back in the middle. So now that we've marked that on, we're going to mark our waist side. This is the piece we want to keep, so we're going to cut to this side of the line. And then we're going to make our cut with our multi-tool. We're going to move our multi-tool up and down to try and even the wear on the blade and slowly cut through our dowel. If you want a bit more control with your multi-tool, you can always touch this part of the blade. It's not going to cut you. And in fact, they're very slow to cut you even if you get your hand behind the blade. They're quite a safe tool, and they're actually designed for cutting plaster casts off. So that was their original purpose, but we've since adopted them for a lot of construction activities. So as you can see, your multi-tool leaves a relatively nice clean cut on the end of your dowel. So if you've learnt something from this video, drop us a like. If you have any other ways of cutting dowel, let us know in the comments. And if you want more quick and simple DIY instructional videos, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.